Namaste everyone, this is Sandeep and welcome to my channel Only Study by Sandeep Dhiman. Today we are going to discuss rest of the lesson. Yesterday we had completed up to here. Today we'll start from here. Okay, thank you said a beaming Janki. Although Janki had wanted to make a solo attempt, she could not do so because the special boat needed to accompany her for her safety was not available. So it was decided that she would be a part of a relay team that had mainly American swimmers. Okay, so up to here she had got the permission. Now here she happily, beaming means smiling happily. So smiling happily, she thanked the officials. Although she wanted to make a solo attempt, means she wanted to swim alone in the channel, but she was not permitted to do so because the safety boat was not available for her safety. Okay, so it was decided that she would be a part of a relay team. What is a relay team? Relay team is a team in which everyone one by one or turn wise plays his role. Okay, for example, swimmers, one swimmer will swim, then after he will pass to the other one, then other one will swim and pass to other one. Okay, so that team has mainly American swimmers. Now here, next paragraph, July 28, 1992 arrived. It was the day that created history for Janki. It was the day to fulfill her life's ambition, her ambition to swim the English Channel. Okay, so finally this day came. On this day, she swam in the English Channel. Okay, so this day created history and Janki fulfilled her life's ambition to swim in the English Channel. Hope up to here everything is clear to you. Let's do this paragraph now. Janki could hardly breathe because of excitement. The ocean seemed more challenging than ever before. But nothing would shake Janki's determination to win. Her heart was beating uncontrollably. She could see her teammates swimming closer towards her. Within seconds, it would be her turn to swim. What if my determination fails? But if I can't swim? Janki put aside these thoughts and tried to concentrate on the event. Okay, so on this day, she was very excited and even she could hardly breathe because of the excitement. And this day, the sea was more challenging than ever before, but it could not shake Janki's determination. Her heart was breathing uncontrollably, and she could see her teammates. They were coming closer to her, and within seconds, it was her turn. And some thoughts were there in her mind that if her determination fails, if she could not swim, these were the thoughts in her mind, but she put all of them aside and tried to concentrate on the event. Let's read next paragraph now. Before she realized, Janki was swimming in the channel and she could hardly believe it, but she had a tough fight ahead. Most of her energy was taken up by the waves that kept moving her legs sideways and the channel water that was very cold. Okay, look here now. In this paragraph, it is told that before realizing about the thoughts and where is she was swimming in the channel and she could not believe it, but there was a tough fight ahead. Now what was the fight? All her energy that was taken away by the waves. There were sea waves that were pushing her legs sideways and the channel water that was very cold. So these were two challenges. Then after, in next paragraph, the water was so salty that every time it entered my mouth, it made me feel sick, recalled Janki. Now Janki is telling here that the sea water that was very salty and every time it was entering her mouth and making her feel sick. The seaweeds and the jellyfish kept sticking to my body and made me extremely uncomfortable. Okay, so seaweeds and jellyfishes, they were sticking to her body and making her uncomfortable. But all the problems in the sea were forgotten as she swam to the victory. A strange sense of fulfillment and an undying spirit of achievement had overtaken all the difficulties. Janki's swim, sorry, overtaken all the difficulties. Janki's swim for 2 hours and a half in the channel had given the world an outstanding example of courage and determination. Okay, so in this paragraph, but all her problems were forgotten as she swam to victory. A strange sense of fulfillment of victory and achievement and undying spirit of achievement that had overtaken all the difficulties that she had faced in the sea. And Janki, how much time she swam in the channel? She swam for 2 hours and a half. Okay, or 2.5 an hour. And it had given an outstanding example of courage and determination, because she was a physically challenged girl and she had swum the English Channel. So it was really a very big example, an outstanding example of courage and determination. Last paragraph now here. Janki later remarked, one can overcome all the obstacles by hard work, determination, courage and self-reliance. So did she, fought against her limitations and won the battle. Janki said that one can overcome all the obstacles by hard work, determination, courage and reliance. Okay, these are the things, or these are the keys to success. Okay, if you want to be success in your life, you must follow all this. Okay, so this is all about the lesson. Let's see the exercise now. On the basis of your reading of the passage, take the correct answers. So here is the first one. Janki practiced swimming 20 kilometers every day in Arabian Sea. Okay, this is the right answer. Next is Janki swam in the channel for 2.5 hours. Okay, then after, the channel officials were shocked to see Janki because she was a handicapped girl. Next, while swimming in the channel, Janki faced a lot of difficulties. They were due to cold and salty water, seaweeds, both are correct. Okay, so last option is the right one. Write T for true and F for false. Look at the statements. Janki was not allowed to make a solo attempt in the channel. It is true. Okay, T for true. Next is Janki's teammates were Indians. This is false. They were American. Next, Janki did not need much training to fulfill the conditions of the English Channel Swimming Association. This is true. She was already trained. Okay. Next is the officials of the English Channel Association were not much impressed with Janki's confidence. This is false. They were very much impressed. Next is Janki's ambition was to swim alone in the English Channel. Yes, Janki's ambition was to swim. Yes, this is true. Next, all the difficulties Janki faced while swimming in the channel were forgotten as she swam to victory. True. Next is Janki believed in luck and did not want to work hard. This is false. Next, C6. This is for you. I am assigning you C6 and C7 to you. Try to find out these questions. Okay, in our next class we'll discuss them. But before that, you find the answer of these questions. Okay, this is your homework. Thank you.